Migrant Birdwatching, a fascinating journey. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing topic: migrant birdwatching. This isn't just about birds or watching them. It's about understanding a unique aspect of nature and the English language. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore what makes migrant birdwatching so special. Before we delve into birdwatching, let's understand what we mean by migrant birds. These are birds that travel from one place to another at certain times of the year, often for breeding or to find warmer climates during winter. This migration is a vital part of their life cycle and ensures their survival. Migrant birds can travel thousands of miles, showcasing nature's incredible endurance and navigational skills. Birdwatching, or birding, is the observation of birds as a recreational activity. It can be done with the naked eye, through a visual enhancement device like binoculars or telescopes, and by listening for bird sounds. Birdwatching is not just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature, learn about different bird species, their behaviors, and their migratory patterns. Migrant birdwatching combines the joys of birdwatching with the fascination of tracking migratory birds. It's a way to observe the incredible journey that these birds undertake each year. For birdwatchers, it's a chance to see different species that are not usually present in their area, making it a highly anticipated and rewarding activity. It also plays a crucial role in conservation efforts, helping to track the health and trends of bird populations over time. If you're interested in migrant birdwatching, here are a few tips to get you started. Learn about migratory patterns. Knowing when and where to look is crucial. Research the migratory patterns of birds in your area or where you plan to go birdwatching. Use the right equipment. A good pair of binoculars and a field guide to birds can greatly enhance your birdwatching experience. Join a community. Connect with local birdwatching clubs or online communities. They can offer valuable insights and tips for beginners. Be patient and respectful. Remember, birdwatching requires patience, and it's important to respect nature and the wildlife you're observing. We hope this video has sparked your interest in migrant birdwatching. It's a fascinating activity that combines the love for nature with the thrill of discovery. Whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher or new to the hobby, the migration season offers something unique for everyone. So, grab your binoculars and start exploring the wonderful world of migrant birds. Happy birdwatching, and see you in the next video!